Hi, welcome to the second part of this video, how to install your smart alarm conversion board. This is part 2 of the video, which is all about the installation. Let's take a look at our existing alarm board. As in part 1 of the video, we've investigated our wiring and we're now ready to install our smart alarm conversion unit. I've already registered my smart alarm conversion unit board with the connected app and with SmartThings. This is covered in some other videos that I have on this channel. I've connected the smart alarm conversion board to connected. Here's the smart alarm conversion board. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the sensor wires. There are 2 sensors connected here, a door sensor and a motion sensor. I'm going to move the black and red wires from Z1 and Z2 onto my smart alarm conversion board. I'll detach each wire in turn. First of all, the black wire from zone 1. This wire will then be attached to the smart alarm conversion board to the 1- terminal, the negative terminal at zone 1, 1-. Make sure you screw the wires in tightly. Just check to make sure they're in. Next, I'm going to move the red wire from zone 1 and I'm going to move it to the 1+ terminal on the smart alarm conversion board. Again, check that the terminal is closed tightly on the wire. We've now moved zone 1. Let's take a look at zone 2. Again, we have a black wire and a red wire. Let's move them in turn. The black wire will go to 2-. Okay, following some twisting and negotiating, we've got the black wire connected. Now let's take the red wire. The red wire will move from zone 2, positive terminal, to terminal 2+ on the smart alarm conversion board. Sometimes the wires need a little twist to give a good point. And remember to make sure you've got a good solid connection. We've now migrated the 2 sensors on our test demo board. However, we also have the tamper zone, which we want to migrate to zone 3. This consists of the yellow and blue wires connected to tamp. Tamp stands for tamper. We're going to move the yellow and blue wires to zone 3 on our new smart alarm conversion board. Specifically, we're going to move them to 3+ and 3-. This now means by moving these wires, we've moved the 2 individual zones, the door sensor and the motion sensor. And now, by completing this step, we've moved the tamper wires as an additional zone on zone 3. We now have 3 zones occupied on our new smart alarm conversion board. This leaves 3 zones remaining for additional sensors. Okay, we've now migrated our sensors. Next, we need to connect our power. 2 wires are provided with the smart alarm conversion board. The black wire is connected to the negative 12 volt terminal. Again, screw this in tightly. The red wire is connected to the 12 volt positive terminal. This next part is slightly tricky, so make sure your power is off on your main alarm board, as you don't want to short the 2 connections between positive and negative on the voltage. We're now going to connect the black and red wires from our smart alarm conversion board to the aux power terminals, auxiliary power terminals, or 12 volt power terminals. The red wire goes to the plus terminal. Instead of moving the white wires which are already connected to the sensors, we want to add the red wire. By adding the red wire to the white wire, we're keeping the power that goes via the white wire to the existing powered sensors, and we're adding power to our smart alarm conversion board from the same terminal. Often there'll be multiple power wires connected to different sensors from this one terminal, hence why some care is required with the connection. The next step is to take the black wire from the auxiliary negative connection on the smart alarm conversion board and connect it to the terminal here, along with the green wire, which is the negative aux terminal. The negative aux terminal again is already connected via the green wire to powered sensors, so we're adding the black wire. And again, because there are multiple wires, some care is required to ensure you have a good connection. Now we've connected the power. We've also connected the sensors and the tampers. Our board is now fully connected and is ready for us to switch on and test. I've left the board loose for the moment, just to allow all the connections to be made. I can attach it using the sticky backing once I've connected all of the connectors. Let's switch the power on. The green light illuminates. This shows that power is connected. Also, the blue light flashed, which indicates that it's trying to connect to Wi-Fi. Notice a green LED is also lit on the main control panel board. This indicates that power is flowing. I'm disconnecting this white wire because a speaker audibly sounds when the cover is removed. We've now completed the installation and wiring. The next step will be to test all of our connections and make sure the configuration is operating as we expected. Congratulations on getting this far. Join us in our next video when we'll look at how to configure the board and test that it's working okay with all of the components connected. Thanks for watching.